The first project is a 2.5 kilowatt inverter that uses two transformers. It features a soft start, soft shutdown function, input overvoltage and undervoltage protection, as well as overtemperature protection, making it both powerful and highly reliable for demanding applications. The second project is a compact mini inverter. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive performance. The output voltage is adjustable, making it suitable for a wide range of applications with power requirements of around 100 watts. The third project is a 2.5 kilowatt power factor correction PFC circuit. It accepts an input voltage ranging from 90 volts to 220 volts AC and provides a stable 380 volt DC output. This type of PFC circuit is widely used in switch mode power supplies to improve the power factor, increase overall efficiency, and provide a stable high voltage DC bus for the main power stage. Finally, we have a 700-watt power factor correction PFC circuit built with commonly available and easy-to-source components. It operates reliably with an input voltage ranging from 85 volts to 250 volts AC, making it a practical choice for many power supply applications. These are the 4 projects that I believe will be very useful for anyone interested in power electronics. After a short introduction to my sponsor and partner, JLCPCB, I'll take you through each project in detail, explaining how they work, their key features, and the design process behind them. I'd like to thank JLCPCB for supporting this video. Over the years, I've used JLCPCB's 1 to 4-layer PCB in many projects, and they've always been reliable with fast turnaround. Now, JLCPCB is making high-performance 6-layer PCB more accessible. With 6 layers, routing becomes cleaner and more efficient, increasing wiring density by around 30 to 50%, so you spend less time dealing with routing limits and more time focusing on your design. With free via-in pad technology and ENIC finish included, JLCPCB delivers professional-grade 6-layer PCB without the professional-grade price. If you want to try it yourself, you can get the latest coupon by clicking the link in the description below. Here are the PCB for the projects that I ordered from JLCPCB. After uploading my Gerber files, it took only about 1 week for the boards to arrive. The PCB quality is excellent, with clean solder masks, accurate silk screen printing, and precise drilling. Everything was manufactured exactly as designed. I've also shared the Gerber files, so if you'd like to build any of these projects yourself, you can simply download the files and order the same PCB from JLCPCB. Here is the schematic diagram and PCB layout of the mini inverter based on the SG35 to 5 PWM controller. The power stage uses MOSFETs, such as the IRF3205 or IRFZ44, both of which are widely available and well suited for this application. The circuit operates at a switching frequency of 34 kHz, providing a good balance between efficiency, transformer size, and overall performance. This compact inverter is ideal for powering phone chargers, LED lights, and other small electronic devices. Here is the schematic diagram of the 2.5 kilowatt inverter. The circuit is based on the SG35 to 5 PWM controller and uses from MOSFETs to drive to transformers. It features soft start and soft shutdown, input overvoltage and undervoltage protection, and overtemperature protection for safe and reliable operation. With 2 transformers providing high power and an H-bridge PWM output stage, this inverter can easily power high power loads such as fans, motors, and other household appliances without any problems. Next is the PFC circuit based on the NCP1653 controller. This circuit boosts and regulates the output voltage while improving the power factor caused via the AC input. As a result, it reduces power losses and helps switch mode power supplies achieve maximum efficiency. The circuit includes a built-in 15-volt power supply, making it simple and convenient to use. With a custom wound inductor, it can deliver up to 700 watts of output power while improving the efficiency of your electrical system. Based on the NCP1653 PFC controller combined with a totem pole MOSFET driver, this circuit can deliver up to 2.5 kilowatts of output power with high efficiency. It uses a dedicated 24-volt power supply board for the control circuitry, while the custom wound inductors provide excellent performance and high efficiency. A 15-volt to 24-volt power supply board can be used with this design. The input voltage is then stepped down and regulated to provide the required supply voltage for the NCP1653 control circuit, ensuring stable and reliable operation. To ensure efficient operation at high power, two ferrite cores are stacked together to form the custom inductor, allowing the circuit to safely deliver its full output power with high efficiency. The ferrite cores are the same size as the ones shown above, and two of them are stacked together to achieve the required output power. That concludes my introduction to these for inverter and PFC projects. I hope you found them useful and inspiring for your own electronics projects. Thank you very much for watching my video. I wish you success with your builds, and I'll see you in the next video.